Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great. But what's up, Macho? And I'm also doing fantastic. So, do you know my today's topic? I think you know because I've already seen it. My today's topic is about playing chess. So let's get started. So at first, you can see a chess board, and listen. We know that a chess board contains is a 8 multiply 8 chess board. It means we have eight boxes in it, horizontally and vertically 8 boxes, as you can see. And now the rules of chess is that each team gets 16 things, and the name of the things is called pawns. The yellow ones, I mean the covering yellow ones, are called pawns. There are 8 pawns in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pawns are there, and there is 2 rooks. This one and this one. These are called rooks. And there's another thing, this one. These are called knights. And another thing is this one and this one. These two are called bishops. And this one is king and this one is queen. So, now, a pawn can move at first 2 digits and then after 1. And if you at first give 1 digit, then you can't move 2 digits after that. And the first time, if it is placed here, then you can only move 2 digits. Okay, so as you can see, and so there are 2 bishops, as you can see, isn't it? And a bishop, one bishop, as you can see, is placed in the white area. Oh, remember that there's 2 colors, only white and black. Okay, so one team will get the things in black color, and another thing will get it in white color. So there is a white 2 bishops which is colored white. So one is placed in over a black box, another one is placed over a white box. So the one which is placed in white box can move diagonally and up to this, but we don't if it is open, but it is not open, so it can only move this. And remember that bishop which is only placed in the white area can't go in the black area, never ever. Okay, so now let's come to another bishop. So this bishop is placed over a black. Black. It is not the black. It is kind of brown or kind of black. I am confused about the color, but no worries, mate. Let's come to the point. And so this one can go up to this one. Let's talk about this in brown. So this one is placed over a brown color box, so it can go diagonally. It can go up to this one, but if I go, it'll eat me. Okay, so we went there diagonally. Okay, so now let's come to another one, which is knight. A knight can move 2.5 in any side. So if I talk about this knight can move 2.5 any side. So this knight can move 1, 2. If it is open, remember that. If it is open. So here, 1, 2. Okay, so we've got 2 digits, 1, 2, and half. In the left or right, it will be half. So 1, 2, it can go here. It could have also gone here, and it could have also gone here, but this one is blocked with this bishop, so it can't go there. So now let's come to another one. Well, let's take this bishop to here. 1, 2, and here. Okay, so I hope you understood the thing about bishop. Sorry, not bishop, it's a knight. So I've been understood the thing of knight. Knight is a little bit confusing, but still we can make it. And now let's come to rook. The rook can move horizontally or vertically. So if it is open, if the area is open, now this rook can only move horizontally because there is no space left in vertically. So let's move it horizontally. We move it horizontally. It can go any in a lot of boxes, but it should be horizontally or vertically. Now let's come to another rook. We will move this rook vertically. Okay, so now let's take this pawn away, and now we will get this rook away vertically. So it goes. Okay, and now we only have 2 left, which is the queen and the king, both of them. So both of them are single. So a king can only move 1 part up, one put right, one put left, and one put down. If it is open, but we don't have a down one put here, so we can only move one put up, one put left, one put down. So let's move it one put down, because only one put we can only move the king one put down, because the thing that is open is the one put down. So let's move it here. But remember, we can move it 2 digits, okay? The king can only move 1 digit after 2. So this is not digit, we can call it boxes, okay? So 1 boxes, the king can only move 1 boxes up, down, left, right, okay? So now, well, don't do left, right now, okay? So it's just about the chess, okay? So now let's come to the queen, the only one which is left. So queen can move in any direction, horizontally, vertically, diagonally, any way. But it cannot move like, I am here, I want to go there. No, at first I have to go up and then left. It cannot go like the horse. The horse can go from here to here, but the queen, this queen can go here immediately, I mean directly. At first it has to go here and then here, or if it is not open, then here, then here, then here. A lot of processes. That's it can also go here and then it can eat me. So now I hope you understood all the things rules, and now you can see the thing that ate me. Well, now let's talk about the points of eating. So the thing that ate me was not ate me, but my thing was second most powerful thing, which is my queen. And remember that the rule of the game is to capture the king, and then the opponent, the team that has captured the king of the opposite team will win. Okay, so it means the king cannot move anyway if it will be checkmate. Okay, so now let's do this. If someone eats my pawn, then I will lose 1 point. The point of the pawn is only 1. And the point of the knight is 3. The point of a knight is 3, and the point of bishop is also 3. Both of them are same, but the function is a little different. Okay, so let's come to the rook. So the rook point is 4. So if you combine the 2 rooks, we'll get it, but we will not combine it. If we want to combine all the scores, how many scores can we get? If you combine all of the things that are in the chase, then we can combine it, but not in real life. Okay, so the power of the rook is 4. Now let's come to the king. So king, as I said, if anyone captures the king, it will win. But anyone can't eat king, because after capturing the king, the opponent will win. So they don't eat the king, and king is the most valuable. I mean, king, there is no value of king, but it is also the most valuable thing in chess. So it's very confusing about, but make sure you will not make mistake. Okay, so now we have talked about the point, and now the other thing which is check. So for capturing the king, we have to give some checks. For example, the opponent's king is here, and I have to make it I have to capture it. Then I have to give a check with anything here, and a check. Then the king can move here, so I have to give a check here, and another check. No check. No, I have to give another check, because when I'll give a check here, this punch can block the check. So I have to give another check. Remember that any thing can block it. As suppose if I give a check over here, this can eat me, and this can stop the check, and this can also eat me, so this has stopped the check. And if I give a check, but there is a check, and then he can stop with this. Okay, if they don't win here. So now I hope you understood the rule of chess that I talked about, and the thing that I talked about chess playing that I talked about in this video. So a lot of talking was in this video. So let's hope you all understood. And I've been talking so much, and to rest for a while. So until then, ta-ra!